Welcome to Engage Math, Pre-Algebra, Lesson 11, Problem 2. So let's just underline the important information. Alex had 2,000 steps and was adding 1,500 steps per hour. Jordan, on the other hand, had already walked 5,000 steps and he was adding 1,000 steps per hour. The other thing is H is the number of hours since noon. Okay, so an expression to represent Alex's steps on Monday would be the 2,000 that he started with by the time noon had even arrived, plus the 1,500 that he was adding every single hour that passed after noon. Okay, now Jordan, on the other hand, started with 5,000, but Jordan kind of slowed down a little bit, and he was only adding 1,000 steps per hour. All right, so those are our two expressions, and now we need to figure out when they have taken the same number of steps. So we're going to take Jordan and Alex's steps and set them equal to each other. So I'm just using the information we did in parts A and B and setting those equal so we can solve for H. Okay, so when we do this, let's start by moving the I think I'm missing 1 0 there. Let me just go back to this, making this 1,000H. Okay. All right. So now we're going to subtract. I think I'm going to subtract the 1,000H from both sides, giving us a much nicer equation of 2,000. And then it's going to be 2,000 plus 500H is equal to, this is gone now, 5,000. All right, so now I'm going to subtract the 2,000 from both sides of the equation. And we're going to write the new equation right here, which is going to be that 500H equals 3,000. Divide both sides by 500, and we get that the number of hours since noon that have occurred until the time that Jordan and Alex have the same number of steps is 6. So that means that since this was how many hours after noon, it means at 6 o'clock p.m., Alex and Jordan, that's a p.m., have taken the same number of steps. That looks a little bit like an A, so I don't want you to think it's a.m. It's 6 o'clock p.m. Okay, we'll see you next time at Engage Math.